how to get the size of a program. Now, previous program I have shown you shapes, size and shapes of the data frame Python. Size of the data frame is a number of field in the data frame, okay, which is nothing but the number of rows into number of columns. That asterisk means, this asterisk means number of rows into number of columns. Okay, shape is the data frame to get the number of rows and the number of columns. So this is what to get the size of the data frame panda and get the shapes of the data frame panda. Size shapes I have shown you. So I'll going to show you the size of the data frame panda. So this is the program. In this program, what you will going to see that in this program, what you are seeing that has been defined, it will going to return the size of the particular program. Okay, so I have taken the import numpy as np, import panda as pd, creating the data frame. This is one series of a name, series of age, series of rating combined together and form one dictionary. That dictionary has been converted into the data frame. That's creating a data frame. That means always you must take a dictionary to be converted into the data frame. So df equals to pd dot data frame d. Now printing the data frame, now getting the size. Let us run the program. Let's see what the output it is showing to us. In this particular program, it will going to show us the size of the particular program, what the particular program size is. So when you want to see the size of the Python panda in this particular series, in this particular area, you will going to find that if you declare this particular thing, if you declare the particular type, that means previously I have declared it, how it has been declared, shape, how has been declared df dot shape. Okay, now it has declared as df dot size. So df dot size, df means data frame, the data where the data frame is stored, df where the data frame is stored. Now this data frame, how I am getting it, I have created one dictionary. From that particular dictionary, what will happen, you will going to get it the particular data frame. See here. Now what is our object, those the values I have given, name, age, rating. So total number of elements in the object is 21. Okay, total number of object is 21. That means 7 on 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 ja 21. 7 on 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 ja 21. So this is the total number of object. It hasn't counted the index part. Index is the by default numbering, and age, name and rating is the column heading. So column heading and index will not going to count because this is the by default thing which will be there in the particular program. Then what will be count, the value that has been inserted. That means 7 values for the name series, 7 values for the age series, and 7 values for the rating series. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. Therefore how many elements are there altogether? There are 21 elements. Now why this and this is not counted in the data frame? These two are not counted because since the index is a default identifier of the place where the data will be stored, okay, in a row wise. So for each of these rows, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these rows from 0 to 6, that means all total 7 rows. So all these rows, each it is carrying a certain values. I am not saying value, I am saying values. So see here, 25, then rana, then 4.23. So those are the different values what we find is there, and based on this particular thing we will going to identify it. Similarly for this age, name and rating, they are also the heading of the columns. Okay, so as they are the heading of the name of this particular column, in this particular section what we find, that since they are the identifier, these three are the identifier Therefore, identifier section based on which the values are being stored. That means inside the age, those the 7 values stored. Inside the name, those the 7 values are stored. Inside the rating,